Hello guys and welcome back. In this video you can see how to carry on a timing belt visual inspection. A timing belt, timing chain, or cam belt is a part of an internal combustion engine that synchronizes the rotation of the crankshaft and the camshaft so that the engine's valves open and close at the proper times during each cylinder's intake and exhaust strokes. In an interference engine, the timing belt or chain is also critical to preventing the piston from striking the valves. A timing belt is usually a toothed belt, a drive belt with teeth on the inside surface. The timing belt, also known as the cam belt, is responsible for synchronizing the crankshaft and the camshaft. As the inlet valves open, the engine takes in air and expels toxic fumes at a specific point within the cycle. Traveling at a constant speed around pulleys, the timing belt moves in a regular, formulated motion. Every manufacturer is different, but typically, the timing belt needs to be replaced every 60 or 100,000 miles. The recommended interval for your specific vehicle can be found in your car's owner's manual. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more.